All right, welcome back everyone. What we've got here is 1992 and a half Mustang. This will pretty much work for any of your Mustang years, Ford especially during this time. So recently I've been having some issues with the I changed out the positive battery cable. It was pretty much shot. I changed out the negative post here. It's got good continuity to ground, so I changed out the clamp there, cleaned up the wire, and then routed it back. Then I came out today just to start it up, and I want to show you what it was doing. So you get in, you go to crank it, you can hear your fuel pump whine. Turn the key forward, you got nothing. Leave the key in forward. So that key's in forward. Right here is your solenoid, or your Ford Please Steal Me device. You're gonna jumper across your contacts. And then it's going to fire right up. All right, we're going to go ahead and get it replaced. It's a good idea to either take a photo to where you know where your wires go, so that way when you're putting it back, you don't put it back, in the wrong spot. So already done that. Got a new one here. Comes with new hardware as well. So what we're going to do as we pull these off, we're also going to clean up these terminals before we put them back onto here. So they're actually really not in bad shape. At least those aren't. Looks like pretty much everything else is on this one. If you've ever wondered what this is, it's not on all cars, it's only on the convertible. This is for the convertible top. This is the convertible top relay. Then obviously this one is going directly from your battery. It too is not old, so there's really not a lot to clean up on this from whenever I guess cleaned them up whenever I did the changing out of the battery. So I've been really busy this summer and haven't had a chance to film many videos. So this winter I've got quite a few projects that I'll be doing. If you guys would like to watch and follow along with them. I've got a DR field and brush mower. I've got a Honda 2200 EU gen. Got a Honda 3000 IU or IS gen, which is also an inverter style generator. I've got a steel chainsaw, a couple other chainsaws. I've got a John Deere mower, riding lawn mower. It's a 479, something along those lines. It's got power steering, hydraulic lift deck. Looks to be a really good quality unit. I've got a Kubota diesel 72-inch ZD ZD28 is what it is, and I've got all of those that I'm going to try to get to this winter to have them ready for the spring. So they'll be, you know, somebody will probably be interested in them come springtime. Well, we're pretty much to the end of the mowing season, and it's almost deer season. So I've got those saved for winter. This one is just about maxed out. I don't even know that I can fit on that lock washer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to forego that. These terminals also actually look like they're smaller. There does not look like a, no, it is. How many times in your adult life have you said lefty loosey, righty tighty? All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up here. Alright, so we've got that changed out, and the battery is also dead, so it's charging. But if I get an indication that it's trying to start, we'll know that it's corrected and we just got to let this battery charge. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a start and see if the solenoid clicks in and it tries to turn over. Alright, well, it tried to turn over. Now all we got to do is wait for the battery to charge, and this will be fixed. So easy day troubleshooting. You just narrow it down. This obviously was the culprit. The battery is still needing to be replaced, so that's going to be, you know, something that's coming up. But you know, stuff ain't cheap these days. So, well, just like that, it's raining. It's the next day. I charged the battery. It did not do anything, so I have replaced the battery, and I wanted to show you guys the finished product. Remember, you can't fix anything if you ain't out there turning wrenches, even in the rain.